and there is a wire. Today I'm going to be starting a remodel on my half bath here. I'm going to be putting beadboard on the lower half of the walls. But here's the thing, I know there's plumbing lines behind this toilet area, behind the sink area, and a lot of electrical lines too that I definitely don't want to hit. So I got the Walabot DIY 2, and we're going to actually see what's behind these walls. Old traditional stud finders, they just blink, they just beep, but they don't really tell you what's behind your wall. I know you think it's a stud, but it could be something else. I've tried it, and it lights up for pipes, it lights up for wires. You just can't be quite sure. Walabot uses RF scans to actually show you what's behind your wall, whether it's pipes, wires, studs, or even movement from something such as like maybe a mouse, which could be really cool and come in handy. Open and download the Walabot app, connect it to your phone, open the app, and start scanning. Let's start with imaging. Start your scan. Oh, right there, wooden stud. Now let's move over a little bit farther. This way. Oh, look at that. Once you just know what a pipe, there's a pipe running probably all the way up this wall to the, oh, there's the other stud too. So the pipe runs right vertically up to the other bathroom. I'm sure it connects to this toilet. So that's one that I want to mark and definitely don't hit when I'm installing the beadboard. Then I move over, there's the wooden stud, there's another stud right there. So you got these, light switches here. One runs to the bath fan, one runs to the light. There's wiring running right here, through the walls, probably through the studs, and coming down to my light switches, so I can follow that down and mark it to where, ever I want. And that way I don't hit that when I'm installing the beadboard. Now I'm switching to expert mode, and it kind of looks like this raw, like red heat source. It uses raw radar actually to detect whether it's a pipe, wooden stud, maybe there's movement such as that mouse we were talking about earlier in the wall. And this mode really just helps kind of figure out where the curves are, maybe in the wires, the pipes, so you can actually trace and follow if you're doing multiple markings throughout the wall. Don't believe it works? Well, I built a small demo wall here just to prove that it does. I put some hidden pipes, hidden wires, and obviously there's some 2x4s somewhere in here. Let's see if this thing actually works. So I'm going to use the images mode and start seeing, whoa, what is that? Pipe or a wire? Follow that through. Oh, wooden stud to another pipe or a wire. Wow. Let's keep going. This way, there's that pipe and wire. It's an electrical wire, I know, because I put it there. Oh, there's the wooden stud. And what else do we got here? Oh, pipe or wire. Wow. So if I haven't proved to you already, this tool really works, I promise. Whether you're hanging shelves, remodeling a bathroom, doing whatever, save peace of mind and get yourself a Walabot.